We are Wolverine Fuels. Wolverine Fuels is the largest and longest-running bituminous coal producer in the western United States. Wolverine Fuels owns and operates 2 longwall mines in central Utah's Wasatch Plateau. Combined, the Sufco and Skyline mines produce over 11 million tons annually of high BTU, low-sulfur bituminous coal. The process starts with continuous miners, of which Wolverine Fuels operates 8 in total. The continuous miner develops tunnels, or what we call entries, using a 12-foot wide rotating drum which mines into the coal seam. The continuous miner is operated by one individual with a remote control. The extracted coal is conveyed through the miner via a chain conveyor and then is loaded onto shuttle cars. Shuttle cars are used to transport the coal from the continuous miner to the feeder breaker where the coal is unloaded. The feeder breaker, located on the tail of the conveyor belt, crushes the coal into smaller pieces before transferring it onto the conveyor belt. In total, Wolverine Fuels operates over 16 miles of belt underground that conveys the coal to the surface. After the entries are mined, the roof or top must be supported by roof bolts. This process binds the overlying layers of strata and beams it together to prevent falling. The roof bolts are installed with a roof bolting machine which uses an automated temporary roof support system to allow the workers to install the roof bolts. The workers are protected by canopies that are raised to prevent roof rock from falling. This dual boom machine allows 2 bolts to be installed at the same time. Roof bolt lengths range from 5 feet to 16 feet depending on the condition of the roof. The sidewalls, or ribs, are also held in place with 4-foot bolts. The continuous miner's objective is to develop entries around a rectangular block of coal which will then be mined with a longwall system. The longwall system consists of approximately 160 shields which weigh upwards of 30 tons each. The shields are used to support the roof after the coal is mined. The longwall shields will drop down as the double-acting ram pulls the shield forward and is set up against the roof. The rams then push the face conveyor forward in preparation for the next pass. A longwall system also consists of a shearer machine that is controlled remotely by 2 operators. After the shear cuts the coal falls onto the face conveyor, which uses a conveying chain to move the coal off the face. The face conveyor has 2 purposes. It carries the coal away from the face, and it also provides the track that the shear runs on as it cuts the coal 1 slice at a time. After the coal is conveyed off the face, it passes through a crusher before the coal is loaded onto a conveyor belt. After approximately a 30 to 45 minute ride, the coal reaches the surface. On average, longwall panels within Wolverine Fuels mines are 900 feet wide by 7,500 feet long. A single longwall system can cost upwards of $100 million, but produces approximately 80% of the total coal production. As the coal exits the mine, there are many locations to store the coal prior to shipping it to the end user. The coal is typically crushed to a 2-inch minus product and then loaded onto trucks and trains for transportation to the customer. Wolverine Fuels values safety and environmental stewardship and is a low-cost producer of a high-quality, clean-burning coal that is sold to the western U.S. power generation industry and Pacific export markets. Based in Sandy, Utah, the company employs over 950 staff and has an annual productive capacity of 11 to 13 million tons of thermal coal. Trafigura Trading, a subsidiary of Trafigura Group, is our exclusive export marketer, giving Wolverine Fuels the opportunity to take advantage of Trafigura's global coal sales platform.